Hey everyone, Sean here. Welcome to the video number 3 of CB Masters Academy workshop. In this video, I'm going to talk about traffic. I'm going to share an awesome traffic method with you, and I'm going to talk about a couple of traffic secrets that you need to understand if you want to make sales and also don't waste your money on traffic that doesn't work. Okay, first of all, I want to thank all of you for being with me throughout this entire course. The feedback that I'm getting is absolutely amazing. I'm so honored to have all of these awesome feedbacks coming, and just make sure to keep it up. It's absolutely awesome stuff. And also, we're getting a lot of awesome results from people who did the beta testing. We had 15 people, I think, who did a beta test on CB Masters Academy, and we're getting awesome results. Some of them actually posted their results on the Facebook group. I actually asked them to not do that because I don't want to make any claims, but at the same time, they're just too excited and they actually posted it. So awesome stuff is happening. I'm absolutely excited and honored to have that. So let's do a real quick recap before we start with this, okay? So in the first video, I talked about Clickbank. I gave you a list of Clickbank products that I promote, and also I showed you the top 3 niches that you should be looking when you're promoting Clickbank products, okay? And then in the second video, I shared the 7-touch funnel, an awesome funnel that can help you to sell anything, and we're going to talk about it a lot in CB Masters Academy because that's one of the best ways to set up a business that is going to get you sales automatically on daily basis. It's absolutely powerful, and we're going to talk about it a lot, okay? So in this video, I'm going to talk about traffic, okay? Because traffic is something that it's just obvious, right? We all know about it. You know, you send traffic to an offer or opt-in page or a funnel or whatever, but a lot of people make mistakes when it comes to traffic, and in this video I'm going to talk about that and share an awesome traffic method. So first thing about traffic is you need to understand this. Traffic is always cold, okay? So even if you send someone who really wants to purchase something, really wants to purchase something to an offer, there's a high chance that they're not going to buy it, okay? Because sending a traffic just cold like that to an offer, or even sending traffic cold like that to a funnel, even a funnel, in some cases, even a funnel is not going to get you any sales, because sending a traffic like that is like having a car dealership without salesmen. It's not gonna work. People want to buy cars, yeah, but you need salesmen to sell those cars, right? So it's like that. If you just send traffic to a funnel or something like that, there's a chance that you're not gonna make the most out of that traffic, or at some cases you're not gonna make it a single sale. So that's what you need to understand, that traffic is always cold. You need to warm up your traffic before sending it to your website, to your funnel, to your landing pages, wherever you're sending it. That's really important. If the goal for you is to sell something, which that's what we're trying to do, right? So you gotta understand, again, traffic is always cold. You need to warm it up. So in CB Masters Academy, we're gonna talk about a lot of different traffic methods, and how you can warm up the traffic before sending it to your offers and all of that stuff. But in this video, I have something really cool for you. This is one of my best traffic methods of Facebook that I use, and it gets me a lot of sales, and it's really awesome. Okay, so let me talk about this whole traffic source. So Facebook, Facebook ads is one of the best ways to really target people to make a sale online. But the problem with that is even people on Facebook, even targeted traffic on Facebook can be really cold. It's not easy to just get someone to click on something on Facebook and sell. It doesn't happen that much. I mean, it depends what are you targeting, but especially when it comes to info products, products that are online, like Clickbank products, it's not really easy to sell it on the first touch. We're going back to that 7-touch funnel. So before we actually make someone to click on something, we're gonna warm them up exactly like 7-touches funnel, but in this case we're gonna do it with 4 videos. Okay, so this is a really cool thing. Pay attention, okay? So instead of just running an ad on Facebook and having people click on it, and having people click on it and check out the website and not end up buying the product, or not end up signing to our funnel, you know, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a video ad, okay? And even if you don't have any videos, even if you don't know how to create videos, I'm gonna show you how you can do all of these things inside CB Masters Academy, so don't worry about it, okay? So we're gonna run a video ad. It's gonna be video ad number 1, okay? This is one of the best ways I make sales, so pay attention. This is one of the best ways that I get traffic, so this is really important. So I run a video ad, and video ad number 1, I talk about something and just help him out. You know, we're not selling anything. We're not selling anything. Again, it's like 7 touches funnel, right? We're not selling anything. What we do is we just provide some value. You know, you don't have to provide a huge ton of value to engage people with yourself. So we provide some value. What happens is when we run this ad, let's say we get 1,000 people, you know, 1,000 views. We get 1,000 views on the first one. This is really cool because when we get 1,000 views, we get a ton of data from Facebook. A ton of data. It's really, really awesome. So Facebook has a section called custom audience where we can actually group this, you know, people who watch these videos based on their engagement rate. Okay, so what I do is I go to the Facebook audience section, the custom audience, and I take out from these 1,000 people who watch the video, I take out the people who watched at least 25% of it. 25%. 20 people who watched at least 25% of the first video. Okay, so these are people who are generally interested, right? So that's the first group. So let's say from these 1,000 people we get how many? Let's say we get 400 of them. Let's say 400 of them watch 25% of the video number 1. And then what we do is we create another audience group and run another ad to the video number 2. So this video number 2 is going to get 400 views, right? Because we just took down people who watched 25% of the first video and we're showing them the second video. So what's going to happen again, we do the same thing. We take out people who watched 25% of the second video, right? And then we send them to video number 3. And let's say from this 400 people, about like 200 of them watch the third video. And then we take the 200 people, again, we take the people who watch 25% of the video number 3 and send them to video number 4, okay? Again, the 25% and send them to video number 4. But by the time we get from 1 to 4, we're gonna lose about 90% of the audience, okay? So we're gonna get 100 views. So from 1,000 views to 100 views, but these people who are watching the video number 4, they're really, really engaged. They really, really are interested in the audience. So we filtered the audience, but the cool thing is, this is not gonna cost you that much. It's gonna save you a lot of money when you do this. You're gonna filter the audience, so you're gonna save a lot of money, but also the audience is warmed up. So you're not just getting accidental clicks. By the time they get to video number 4, they are interested in your offer, they're interested in your product. So from video number 4, you send them to your opt-in page or your sales page or wherever you're trying to send it, and you get the sale. How awesome is that? You converted cold Facebook traffic from up here to warm Facebook traffic. This is something that, you know, it just feels complicated, right? But it's so easy to set up, and you're gonna learn that inside CB Masters Academy. It's absolutely, absolutely amazing. And it's really easy to set up. It's not that complicated. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is one of the traffic methods that we're going to use inside CB Masters Academy to send awesome, warm, interested, hot targeted traffic to our offers to make those sales. And this is going to save us a lot of money, because on average, if you just send the traffic from video number 1 or, you know, an ad to your offers, you know, or opt-in page, usually it can cost you, it depends what audience you're targeting, but it can cost you maybe 20, 30 cents, 40 cents if you're targeting, if you're, you know, optimizing the ad good. And then the problem with that is not all of these people are going to convert. Let's say on average you might get $4, you might spend $5 to get a sell or an opt-in. But with this, you can spend maybe less than $1 to get an opt-in or sell. So this is going to warm up your traffic, save you money. So again, this is something that we're going to talk about a lot inside CB Masters Academy, alongside a lot of different traffic sources and traffic methods and all of that stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I just want to make a quick announcement before I close this video. CB Masters Academy is coming up soon. We're going to open the cart where you can actually purchase the product on Wednesday. And just a quick thing, it's not going to be open for a long time. We're going to just have it open for 3 days, and after that we're going to close the CB Masters Academy. You're not going to be able to join. And then after that we're going to open it again, but the problem is that it's going to cost twice. Okay, so this is going to be a very limited time offer. Okay, it's a limited offer, and if you really are interested to start a different ClickBank journey, an awesome ClickBank journey, and where you learn these awesome things, it's almost time to get in. All right, so I'm gonna send you an email about that on Wednesday, and you're gonna see everything in there. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in the next video.